Hey there, guys. It's January 24, Monday afternoon. Thanks for joining back. Hit that like and subscribe. I will keep trying to get you information that'll help you make better decisions in the market. We'll start off right now. I want to look. I got a comparison here. I got gold up and I got the NASDAQ. And if you look the past year, a few times when the NASDAQ's come down, gold's brought gold down with it. Maybe not so much on this one, this dip here, just in September, we came down, gold came down. And notice the recovery, that they both recovered together, whereas this time around, the NASDAQ came down and gold actually kept going up. And that's interesting. I think, we're getting to a point here, I think we're hearing from the market that people are going to be looking more for that value investment, get away from the risk. And this is a good example. And when the NASDAQ has recovered and gold recovered with it for the most part. So do we see, if we get a pickup here on the NASDAQ, is gold going to come, or are we going to just, or is it going to just continue up on its own? It's hard to say. Either way, I think this is a bit of a compelling story that the gold has got some diamond hands here, and we're starting to get a rotation into these value plays. We've obviously discredited Bitcoin as the new gold or the flight to safety when the market goes down. We can go have a look at that here. Here we're comparing Bitcoin with the NASDAQ. Not hand in hand, but, over the last year, we're probably fairly similar. We got away a little bit here, but, yeah. So, when you start getting these cryptos, if they just start following the market, and taking bigger drops than the market, you start to question what, definitely larger institutional money, even the average retail guy that just wants to buy and hold. That's a tough slug. We go over, let's look even at, I'm not going to look at all the cryptos, but here's Solana. We had a great run up last summer, last fall. But, we're taking back a lot of those gains here now. Cardano, same thing. We're holding in this range. If any of these decide to slip below these points, I would definitely start at looking at getting out. And I'm not giving any advice on what to buy here if you are looking in the crypto market, but I think this is a good story to show that generally, I think people are maybe getting a little tired of these big drops, and they're starting to look at something that's going to give us a positive return. Just generally, the market, though, has recovered quite well today. Last night they gapped down. They gapped right over this channel line. Came into some pretty strong support down here, and we've backed back in, and I think we're even closing right up into that channel, so that's a good thing. We'd like to see a few days recovery here, I think, before you would start getting serious to go back into the market. But the S&P, the NASDAQ, Dow Jones, they all look quite similar, so we think that's looking pretty good. Look at oil. Oil still holding in there really well. I was thinking today we were coming halfway down into this channel. We might push back onto 80 and retest that, but Oil has recovered quite well, back at around that 84 and change. Comparatively, we like to look at the dollar, see how that's behaving. It was making a bit of a recovery here, and got a little bit rejected. We're kind of, looks like we're almost closing back out of that channel. So let's just do a confirmation here and see what the euro and the yen. So the euro looks like we did try to get out of that channel. We got sucked back in. Sometimes you get those false breakouts when you come in underneath on a channel, and you might start resuming the other way, kind of like we did when we just broke above here. So we'll keep an eye on that. Nothing that's obviously concerning whatsoever. And the US dollar to the Japanese yen. We're just, looks like, holding support here. Yeah. Nothing right now. We're still above or below some of the averages. I think we'd start having to get some upward momentum to where we would start thinking that the dollar again has got some strength and would hurt gold or oil. So yeah, we'll keep on it. We'll keep watching this, and we'll give you guys another update tomorrow. But by all means, right now, we're going to stick to our guns with gold and oil at this point, and hopefully you guys have some luck and make some good decisions out there. All right, so thank you again. Hit that like and subscribe, and I look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow. Bye.